Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to summarize long YouTube videos by using a simple free summarizing tool. Now it's a very easy process, so just simply go to your Chrome web store and just simply search for YouTube summary with ChatGPT. So just simply search this particular plugin and click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension, just simply pin it right over here. Close this and just simply go to any YouTube video for example. So as you can see right over here, I have an example video. Now the moment you will install the extension, whenever you will play YouTube videos or whenever you will be on the YouTube video, you will find a new tab of panel that is on the right hand side as you can see right over here, which is transcribe and summary. Now just simply click on transcribe and summary option over here, and now it will give you the entire transcribe of the video. The main and the most interesting part is the summarizing part. To summarize the video, click on this ChatGPT option over here. Now it is going to take the transcribe and upload it to ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT is going to give you the entire summary. See right over here, ChatGPT just summarize the entire video in just simply 5 points. Ask ChatGPT to increase the point or describe more about a single point by using ChatGPT itself. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.